everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason and I do unboxings. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if this isn't your first time here, still welcome. I may have to pause the video a couple times. I'll apologize in advance. There's a big commotion going on out in front of my building. I'm on the street level and there was like 5 or 6 cop cars looking for, I don't know, something was going on. So if you see interruptions in the video or edits, that's the reason why. Anyway, in this video, we are going to be unboxing one of my spirituality boxes. So if that's something that's going to interest you, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get right into the box. This is Mindful Souls. Okay, Mindful Souls box. And I really do like this box. This is a monthly subscription. I am charged $39.97 for this, I think, with the shipping and taxes and everything. So I'm not sure. I think it's like a $34, $35 a month box, and then depending on where you live, the shipping is added in. So anyway, let's get into the box. In this box, you get crystals, different kinds of jewelry, gems, tools, just to kind of help you in whatever your spirituality may be. So, open it up. Usually give you a big card in there, and on the card, the back of the card, they do tell you what's in your box, and they give you the pictures, which is really nice. They don't give retail values, so I don't have any retail values, but this is what the inside of the box looks like. And let's get into these. They always wrap them in little pouches. This here, they always give you an affirmation. So, affirmation for letting go. I release all disease from my body and welcome health, love, and happiness into my life. That is good. And let me tell you right now, I am going through some allergies, major allergies. Every little scent is bothering me, especially if they're like a floral scent. I am taking some allergy medicine, so hopefully I won't be sneezing too much during this video. Let's go ahead and look at these items. They give you a sticker usually. Let's see. Be the reason that someone smiles today is the sticker. And I'm just going to pull items out, and then I'm not really going to read about them. Unless it's something really unusual, then I might read about it. But other than that, most of the items are pretty self-explanatory. If it's a specific gem that I'd never heard of, maybe I'll read that. But anyway, so let's open these. This first thing I'm going to open is this little pouch. And okay, so this is a tower crystal, and it's a nice one. It looks to me like tiger eye, but let's go ahead and see what the, this is mahogany obsidian point. So I haven't seen an obsidian this color before. It's really pretty. I don't know how clear you can see it on video with the lights that I have, because I'm still getting used to these lights, but it is really pretty. It looked a lot like, ooh, just almost cut myself on the box. It looks a lot like tiger's eye to me, so like that. All right, good first item. Let's pull this out since it's not wrapped in anything. This is kind of interesting. Get this little spoon, the gem on the end. This is kind of fun. I love the detail on it. I don't know, again, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got great detail in it. So this will be good for like loose teas and things like that. All right, that's fun. Let's look into our next little pouch. All right, here is, so it's just a round stone. Let's see if it says what kind this is. So this says it's a labradorite palm stone. This, doesn't really look like labradorites that I've seen. Actually, no, I can see it. Again, I don't know how much you can see on the camera, but if the light hits it certain ways, you can see the different colors in it. Initially, it just looked black to me, so that's pretty. And next item. Let's see here. Okay, so this is looks like it's a necklace. Ooh, I like that. So this is what we have here. It's a pretty stone. It's got a nice long chain. It's on like this gold chain, and I'm not quite sure what stone this is. It's pretty, so let's see what the stone is called. This I will definitely wear. I'm not a huge fan of gold, but I like that necklace. So that is, okay, so that's lapis lazuli necklace. It's a lapis lazuli. All right, that's pretty. Moving on. Okay, and this next one is another pouch. Another piece of jewelry, yeah. So this, is this a bracelet or a necklace? I can't really... Looks like maybe a double bracelet. Yeah, like a very thin bracelet here, and then it had this as well. So let's see what kind of stone this is. This is another labradorite bracelet set. So yeah, okay. I don't know if I would wear that, so I may hold on to that and put it in a future giveaway. So we'll see. Maybe somebody may see that in the future. Anyway, all right. Let's see what our last item is. It's a larger item, and it's in this larger pouch. And I heard it jingling every time I moved the box. So let's see what this is. Oh, okay. Oh, this is pretty. This is an incense burner. So here is like the lotus. Sorry, that light is. And then it has the little incense cone holder or incense holder that you put right in the middle. All right, I like that. Okay, I can't remember if I have another incense burner or not. Yeah, anyway, well, I do now. So, okay. So, interesting box. I think with the exception of the bracelet combo, I'm happy with everything. I mean, the bracelet's fine. It's just not something that I would really wear, so... That'll do it for me. Let me know what you think of this box down in the comments below. And again, this is Mindful Souls. It's a really, really good company. They've got great customer service. And other than that, yeah, that'll be it. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. And I hope everybody is staying happy and healthy. And we made it through this video without me having to stop for the commotion outside. So, woo! All right, everybody, I will see you in my next video. Bye.